All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you have a fantastic day. And as you guys can see from the thumbnail, we have finally got everything hooked up to the new N55 engine, and we're ready to slap it into the 435i. So if you guys are just tuning in to the channel, this is my 435i we got from auction for $2,800, but that was because we had a blown N55, which is sitting right over there. And now we have the new one sitting up to the transmission right now. So as you guys are watching this video, if I upload it today on Saturday or Sunday, it is Memorial Day weekend. So we have plenty of time to get the BMW done, and we can finally start it for the very first time. This is my absolute goal, is to get this inside the car, get everything buckled up that we have to get up, and then we can finally turn over the N55 we bought from a used car that had only 40,000 miles on it. And if you know your cars, 40,000 miles is pretty much a brand new engine. It did not get broken into or anything like that. So I am very hyped to be putting that kind of engine in this kind of car. I think when I bought it, it said on auction it had 100K miles. So having 100K on the chassis and then actually 40 on the N55, pretty insane. But as you guys can see, the last video that I had, we were just taking out the engine and it was all disassembled with the transmission disassembled. Well, now everything is all together, ready to basically get dropped into the engine. We have the little tiny miscellaneous stuff that we have to put on it, but honestly, this is the main priority, to get it inside of the car. And then also, we left some of the bolts from the torque converter off. I was only able to get 2 of them, but then I decided I think it's easier for me to put the bolts on when it's inside the car, so then I can utilize the lift and get underneath it and actually see what I'm doing. So those 4 bolts that we still need to put on the torque converter are sitting right here. But anyways, this engine should be in the BMW this weekend, and I am so hyped to finally have this car running and ready to go. Now, the reason why I'm doing such a time crunch is because I actually went ahead and registered the BMW in California, which that is going to be another video. I want to tell you guys like what all it costs, how much it does, this whole process and all that stuff. But anyways, we registered in California and we have limited a time to get this car running so we can go get inspected by smog and then CHP and then pass the VIN verification in California. It's a bunch of crap that you have to do within California to get this registered because it was a salvage car and it was outside of state. So we have, I think 30 days since I did that, and I think it's been a week or 2 since we did it. So we're running out of time, so we need to get this project done. So that is why this weekend I am pushing so hard to finally get this engine in and then get this thing started. And then also too, I've been missing a turbo setup. Yeah, we have the Corvette in the back and it's super fun to drive, but it is not gonna be as fun as running a turbo build. It's just so much fun hearing the turbo, feeling that power, and then just overall what we're gonna be doing to this platform is gonna be absolutely insane. So that is the update that we have going on with the BMW. There really isn't much more happening other than trying to get this engine in here, and I plan on getting it either late today or tomorrow. For sure, tomorrow is the deadline that this engine has to be in here, hooked up, everything all hooked up electrical wise, the alternator, AC, everything tomorrow is the deadline. So I'm pretty sure I can do it, but it's gonna be a little bit hectic tomorrow. It's gonna be a really busy day. So I'm probably gonna be in the shop probably for a good 8 hours tomorrow. So that is the goal, and I am doing it. I'm shooting for it, and we're gonna get done. So the next video that I'll be making is the engine inside the BMW, and then we are starting up for the first time. And I also want to say, I know I'm not making my normal videos where I'm like recording, doing me things. Well, if you want to see any of that stuff, head over to my Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. TikTok is probably the #1 thing that you see all the work being done, but Facebook is another one, because Facebook, I upload all the stuff that I upload on TikTok. So go over to Facebook, you'll find everything. It's all linked in my description. Go check it out. But yeah, the next video for sure will be me recording my normal style videos where I'm inputting the engine into the engine bay, turning it on, so on and so forth. So just stay tuned for that. But all that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you can believe it, you can achieve it. Stay tuned for that video I'm gonna be releasing of how much did it cost to do this whole process if you're looking to do the same. But all that, guys, hope you enjoy your day. Have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.